Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make noritama onigiri. It's egg and nori seaweed onigiri rice balls. Nutritious and delicious. Making it into triangle shape might be a bit difficult, but practice makes perfect. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this noritama onigiri, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings and some extra. 2 cups of Japanese rice, 2 packs of Korean Nori seaweed, 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 1.5 teaspoon of salt. First things first, so let's prepare rice. Put some water. Stir gently. Drain. And repeat this 3 or 4 times. Put the rice in the pot. It's 2 cups of rice, so let's add 2 cups of water. Rice and water is always 1 to 1. Cover with a lid and cook over medium-high heat until it comes to boil. In the meantime, let's prepare the scrambled egg. 3 eggs in a small bowl. Beat the eggs. About a tablespoon of vegetable oil in the frying pan. And let's make scrambled egg. Take it out in a small bowl. Cover so that it doesn't dry. Now the rice is boiling, so turn the heat to low as it can go and let it cook for 12 minutes. Cooked for 12 minutes. Kill the heat and let it steam for 10 minutes. Steaming is very important, so don't skip the process. Steamed for 10 minutes. Let's fluff it. Sesame oil, salt, scrambled egg, and Korean Nori seaweed. As you rub it and break into little pieces. This is totally optional, but if you like, some sesame seeds. And mix. Okay, it's time to make it into onigiri. Prepare a bowl of water, some salt, and small bowl. This is like a mold to standardize the size of each onigiri. So wet the mold and your hands. Put the rice in the mold. Some salt all over your hands. Take the rice out and try to make it into triangle shape. Don't squeeze it too tight, it will make it mushy. Let me show you one more time. Wet the mold. Put some rice. Wet your hands. Some salt. Then into triangle shape. I made 8 onigiri and 1 baby onigiri for the tasting. Let's try. いただきます。This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Noritama onigiri goes here. How about cabbage to tori no umashio nabe here, which will also cover the soup. Anything you like for the side dishes, but I think I want to have something fresh. So let's have tamanegi to wakame no salada here, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.